Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the simplest place, the desktop. If you don't see the recycle bin icon, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Themes, and use Desktop Icon Settings to re-enable it. This is faster than hunting through menus. Once done, press the Windows key and type Recycle Bin to show search results. Select the icon. Make sure to check which user account you're in. Icons are per account, so switch accounts if you still can't find it. You'll now open the recycle bin and inspect what's there. Double-click the icon or open File Explorer and type Recycle Bin in the address bar. For advanced access, you can run shell Recycle Bin folder. Once inside, sort by date, deleted, or name to prioritize recovery. Right-click any item to restore it to its original location, or choose Delete to permanently remove it. Make sure to check each drive's recycle bins separately if you use multiple disks, because items are stored per drive. Finish by managing storage and prevention. Right-click Recycle Bin to empty or open properties to set per drive maximum sizes so large deletes don't bypass it. If you want quick access, pin the recycle bin to start or taskbar after opening it. If something goes wrong, files missing or icons still gone, remember Shift plus Delete permanently removes files. Small recycle bin quotas discard older items, and corporate group policy can hide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.